Hello and welcome to an overview of Mixpanel's newest capability, Warehouse Connectors. Historically, it's hard for teams to get answers from their data for a few reasons. One, data is stored in a warehouse and requires deep SQL knowledge to answer questions, so only experts can handle the data. Two, teams try self-serve analytics tools like Mixpanel, but it requires engineering lift to get started. Or three, product data in self-serve tools may be hard to trust when it falls out of sync with source of truth data. Warehouse Connectors solves these limitations by allowing you to sync Mixpanel with your data warehouse without writing any code. Within our UI, you can connect to your data warehouse such as BigQuery or Snowflake and map columns from your warehouse tables into Mixpanel properties. This way, you can set up Mixpanel in 30 minutes or less and enable fast self-serve analysis on all of your company's trusted data. Let's go through an example flow of what's possible in Mixpanel. Let's say that I am interested in my logged in users. But more specifically, who are my logged in users who are also clicking on my desired button within 30 days? I can create a simple funnel here to see this conversion rate. But then I'm still interested in what if we broke down that percentage based on the marketing campaign that the user was exposed to. That is data that we can pull from our warehouse and easily break down our funnel by campaigns. And it looks like our partnerships campaign had the highest funnel conversion rate. And what's more, I can dig deeper by seeing what this trend looks like plotted over time. As you can see, Mixpanel allows your teams to answer question after question of your data without being blocked on technical expertise. Whether you want to dig into product data, like measuring the impact of a feature launch, or digging into marketing data, such as which campaigns are leading to the most conversions, or even looking into revenue data, such as how are my core revenue KPIs tracking. If it's in your warehouse, your team can analyze it in seconds with no SQL needed. All of this is possible with Warehouse Connectors. You can get started today by checking out our docs or scheduling time with one of our experts. Thanks for listening and hope you enjoy.